Looking for the best portable Apple CarPlay screen for car upgrades? You don't need an expensive dashboard overhaul. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 smart screens that instantly bring premium navigation, hands-free calling, and entertainment to any older vehicle.
Product 1. Venluna 8.1-inch wireless CarPlay screen. The Venluna 8.1-inch display is a powerhouse for drivers wanting maximum utility without cluttering their windshield. This device stands out by balancing a highly responsive touchscreen with an integrated 4K dashcam and a 1080p backup camera. It serves as your co-pilot, capturing crisp road footage while simultaneously handling your mapping needs. With seamless wireless integration for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it connects automatically the moment you start your engine. The Mirror Link feature lets you cast your phone screen directly, making it perfect for rest stop entertainment. It is an exceptional all-in-one safety and infotainment upgrade designed to fit securely in cars, trucks, or heavy-duty vehicles without a complicated hardwiring process.
Product 2. Apenet wireless CarPlay screen. If your primary goal is simplicity, reliability, and clutter-free operation, the Apenet wireless CarPlay screen is a top-tier contender. It avoids unnecessary complex features to focus purely on delivering a rock-solid, ultra-fast connection. The display provides clean, high-contrast visuals that remain perfectly legible even under direct daylight. Voice commands operate flawlessly with Siri and Google Assistant, letting you dictate texts, make phone calls, and manage your Spotify playlists entirely hands-free. It features multiple audio output options, allowing you to route sound through an auxiliary cable, an FM transmitter, or the built-in speaker. It is a streamlined, budget-friendly solution built specifically for drivers who want modern smartphone connectivity on their dashboard without paying for extra built-in cameras they might not use. Product 3. Premium 10-inch touchscreen CarPlay screen. For those who believe bigger is always better, this massive 10-inch portable display transforms your dashboard into a modern, high-tech command center. The expansive screen real estate makes reading complex GPS maps incredibly easy, minimizing eye strain while driving. Like a premium built-in system, it packs a high-definition 4K front dash cam and a sharp 1080p rear backup camera for comprehensive spatial awareness. The interface supports a split-screen layout, letting you monitor your navigation map on one side while controlling your music playlist or watching a mirrored video link on the other. Backed by highly accurate voice control, this unit is ideal for larger SUVs, family minivans, or delivery trucks, where maximum visual clarity and enhanced safety recording are daily necessities.
Product 4. Fast Connect 7-inch portable CarPlay display. Drivers seeking a compact, stealthy, and highly efficient setup will appreciate the Fast Connect 7-inch display. Designed to fit neatly on smaller dashboards without blocking your view of the road, this unit emphasizes high-speed boot times and immediate wireless synchronization. It features advanced Bluetooth audio routing, meaning you can connect your phone directly to your car's original stereo system for pristine sound while utilizing the portable screen strictly for visual maps and notifications. Complete with a rugged backup camera and robust voice assistant compatibility, it delivers all the essential smart features of a luxury vehicle interface. It is the perfect, low-profile upgrade for commuter cars where dashboard space is at a premium, but modern connectivity is non-negotiable.
Product 5.25 HOURS 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen. The 25 hours portable car tablet utilizes an ultra-wide 10.26-inch cinematic aspect ratio, offering a sleek, low-profile design that stretches horizontally rather than vertically. This unique shape provides an incredibly wide viewing angle for navigation and media management without obstructing your forward windshield view. It is built for seamless multitasking, allowing you to run Apple CarPlay or Android Auto with smooth, lag-free transitions. It includes classic FM transmitter functions, an auxiliary audio port, and stable Bluetooth connectivity to sync effortlessly with your existing sound system. Whether you are navigating tight city streets or taking a long-distance road trip, this wide-format dashboard tablet delivers premium, responsive performance and modern aesthetics to any classic car or truck cabin.
Whether you need the budget-friendly simplicity of the Apenet, the compact design of the 7-inch Fast Connect, or the massive dual-camera coverage of the 10-inch models, there is a perfect match here for your wallet. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and discounts, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car upgrades.